Hi guys, in this video I decided to talk to you. I just didn't want to write any subtitles in this video and I thought it would be more interesting for you if I speak. Usually I draw the simple forms and then I draw the lines. So on this stage your sketch doesn't need to be really perfect. You can draw as dirty as you can. You don't need to make it look neat because we still will draw the lines later. So now I draw the lines. Put some leaves in there and some small flowers and even more flowers. So I already put some colors on the drawing, but it's usually not really what I do on the first place. So yeah, what I usually do is put the shadows. I just take my sketching brush and just start putting down the shadows. The most important thing you should know, always check where the light comes from. So if it comes from the above, then the downside of your drawing of your object, it will be in shadow. Now I start coloring the flowers and give them some dimensions and put some more color to make them look more natural. So this one is a very fast sketch. If you would like to see some real-time tutorials, then just let me know. I would love to draw for you and also with you. So yeah, just let me know. In the end of the sketch, I always put some white accents to make my drawing pop. So I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, then give this video a thumb up and comment down below. And if you have any ideas what I should draw next, just let me know. Take care, bye!